Hi, this is Clara for Blockchain of Things. Today, we will cover how to get help for Catenis Flow Nodes. If you are running Node-RED locally on your Mac or PC, first open your terminal and launch Node-RED. Copy the server address and paste it into your browser. To quickly access documentation for any node that is part of the Catenis Flow palette, or for any nodes that you have installed in a palette, first drag a node to the workspace, then click on the node to select it. Once the node is selected, click on the Help icon located here on the right sidebar. This tab will contain documentation on the selected node, including a general overview as well as details on the node's inputs and outputs. Did you notice that some nodes have buttons while others do not? Check out our next video to learn why.